Told she had a condition called incompatible, which meant that the bone formation above her eyes hadn't formed, her brain hadn't formed, she had a brain stem, but she wasn't going to be able to survive by herself.
She had always been against abortion, but Sarah knew she couldn't continue with her pregnancy. Living in Northern Ireland, where termination is illegal, her only option was to travel to England for the procedure.
We didn't know where we were going, who was carrying out my procedure, who would be there. It was the worst experience ever. But by the same token, if I was to find myself in this situation again, I know I've made the right decision for me and I would take that decision again.
Ever since, Sarah has fought for the right for women in her situation to end their pregnancies. An appeal by the Northern Ireland Human Rights Commission brought them to the UK's highest court, and today judges agreed the law banning abortion even in cases of fatal fetal abnormality or for victims of sexual crimes is incompatible with human rights laws. Sarah's hoping that now translates to action.
This needs to change now. People are putting their lives on hold, pregnancies on hold, the fear of this happening again.
But the judges couldn't make an official ruling because they said the Human Rights Commission didn't have the power to bring the case. So pro-life campaigners are claiming victory too.
We welcome the fact that this case has failed and that there is no push from within Northern Ireland to change our laws, and we will continue to ensure that the laws are upheld because life is a right, not a privilege.
Since an overwhelming majority voted to change abortion laws in the Irish Republic 2 weeks ago, the spotlight has intensified on Northern Ireland. It's hard to overstate how emotive, how divisive the issue is here. You don't have to look far to find debate.
I think it should be the same as it is throughout the UK.
Do you think it's time for change then?
Oh, very much so. We'll have to keep up with the times.
Oh, it's not a matter of change. I think it's a matter of considering the reality of abortion, the killing of the unborn, which is what it really bases itself on.
But Sarah Ewart will not be put off. She's vowing to carry on her fight and believes the judge's comments give power to her case. Now she says it's time for politicians to listen, to make a change.